Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to start Acura MDX 2022 with key. Turn the key to accessory first, then to on and wait for dash lights to finish their check. With your foot on the brake, turn the key fully to start until the engine fires, then release the key and let the engine idle. Confirm parking brake and indicators, and shift only when it is safe to move. Before starting your Acura MDX 2022, make simple checks to avoid problems. Confirm the gear is in park and the parking brake is engaged, and make sure you have the programmed key for the car. Inspect the battery for sufficient charge and clean terminal corrosion if present, since weak batteries cause slow cranking. Also check for any dashboard warnings and clear obstructions around the steering column before turning the key to start. If your Acura MDX 2022 won't start with the key, stay calm and methodical. First, check battery voltage and tightness of terminal connections, since low power is the most common cause. If the steering lock prevents key turn, gently wiggle the wheel while turning the key to free the lock. For persistent immobilizer or key recognition problems, try a spare key and then contact a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.